Organic Shorts.
Oh, yeah.
Howdy folks, Mr. Nickel here. We're going to talk about ketones in this organic short. So we looked at alcohols last time. We're looking mostly at oxygens when we're looking at these different types of functional groups here. And so what's worth noting about a ketone is that it's a double bonded oxygen that occurs in the middle of the carbon chain. Now, what's worth noting is that there are functional groups that we will look at that are very similar to what a ketone looks like. These two on the right here are not ketone. It's key and it's critical that both of the two surrounding atoms next to the carbon where the double bond is attached here, that the two surrounding atoms there are both carbons. If they are not, so in this example, in this first example here, we have an aldehyde, and in the second example, we have a carboxylic acid. If the difference is here, this hydrogen and this OH, if it's not a carbon there, we do not have a ketone. So ketones are going to occur in the middle of our carbon chain. Now, when we look at the rules for what a ketone looks like, you can see we looked at an alcohol. There's a ketone, aldehyde, ester, carboxylic acid. You can see the slight differences. Again, ketone is surrounded by both a carbon on both sides here. If we look at the rules for how to name a ketone, we want to name the longest chain containing the ketone. Number the alkene chains that the ketone gets the lowest number possible. Change the E ending in the ane to O-N-E. So we want to change this ending from alkane to alcone, basically, or Al Capone. If the highest priority functional group is not the ketone, we're going to use the prefix oxo and then number the location of the ketone. We always need to number the location of the ketone because it's not happening at the end of a molecule. It's always somewhere in the middle. And so when we're looking at this here, we have a 3-carboned molecule and it's on carbon number 2. It doesn't matter which side number from. Carbon number 2 that we have this ketone, and so we have a propanone. We have a propanone, that's the name. So we change that ending of the E from A-N-E to A-N-O-N-E. That's the change of the number, and that's how you can name and number ketones.